So I got something new for you. I mean, it's still super slick. Probably the slickest soap I've ever used. Lakeside. What? By Adopted Acres Soap Company. Doug is out of Ohio, southern Ohio. Their family, his wife's side, has a cattle farm where they raise Angus beef. Doug renders the tallow from around the organs and makes soap. Now, he does have stuff in a tin as well, but this is the only product that I've tried so far, and I was so overwhelmed on how slick it was. Probably the slickest soap I've ever used. So, just to give you a demonstration here, now it's in a pump. Just threw some water on my face, so it's a pump. But look how unique this is. You can take this apart, right? And look down there. He sells refillables that you can just put back in here when you're done with it. Now the pump, honestly, that much. That's it. That's nothing. Rub it on my fingers. Now granted, my face is still a little dry. I'm just gonna pat these in here. Look at this stuff. I mean, for people that don't have a brush, if you're traveling and you don't want to take all your gear, I mean, you can just build this stuff up. And it's super slick. All right, so enough of that. All right. That to me is perfect. Not too runny, not too dry. Henson Aggressive. Now, I haven't got a perfect shave with this one yet, so I figured this would be great for this demonstration because this is a very slick soap. Super slick. I'm like totally amazed with this product. Now, I don't have any like affiliate link or anything, at least not yet. I will try to get something going with Doug, but he is going to offer 10% off to any of the viewers right now using all caps Ohio Shaves 10, no space. But I'm going to tell you right now, I highly recommend it. I've never used a soap that wasn't in a puck, right? That was this slick. Even Ariana and Evans, Parasso, this outperforms it. So my with the green pass, pretty good. Now again, I haven't got a great shave with this Henson Aggressive yet. Okay. All right, I want to yeah, that's good. Okay. First pass with that stuff. I'm telling you, if you're looking for something to take on vacation and you want something very slick and you don't have a brush, this stuff's it. Haven't tried anything better. Just at your home, dude. I'm telling you, this is crazy good. Now, I don't know if this stuff's so good because he's making his own talon, beef talon. I'm not sure. There's something to it though. You know, he's making the stuff from scratch. Look at the sheen. Like, I don't even have to work this stuff up. Oops, I didn't even put any water in there. Because I don't have to work it up. With this product, you don't have to sit and build this back up, right? It's so super slick, you can just paint it on your face or just rub it in with your hands. It totally floored me when I picked up this product. What I have done with it is lathered this up on my face, walked around my house for 15, 20 minutes, look at it. Is it still there? Yes, it does not dissipate, which is huge with any shaving soap you're putting on your face. You could cheat, and I'm going to too, because all this soap is just going to be going down the drain. So I'm going to put it over here on this half. The other half, I'm just going to throw up there, right? Now, people that put globs like this on their face, you don't need that. I always try to even it out. I know everybody has their own preferences, but I try to make it easy. I'm always trying to cut in a beard or a goatee. So I need to be able to see what's going on. So for the second pass, look at the sheen of that. I mean, it's still super slick. It's crazy. I do feel some irritation though on my neck and right here on my jawline. I just can't perfect this aggressive Henson. What the aggressive Henson is, I know it has a shaving plane, but you can take it off a few degrees, right? Which is going to make it more aggressive. More of your skin is going to go up in there, and it's aggressive. And I still haven't got a perfect shave with it. And I think it's because of that. It's not like, a mild or a medium to side by side. It's not like the mild or the medium where you get on that shave plane and it just shaves. It's not like that. But anyhow, it is more aggressive. I mean, I had 4 days of growth and it just plowed right through it. So see how good that is? It's just crazy. Now, Doug has a good story as well. They adopt children. That's why the name of this is Adopted Acres. All special needs kids. I'll post a picture up for you, but he's trying to create a business for his kids so they can have something to do as they mature. I don't think I got a perfect shave. I haven't mastered that aggressive Henson. So I'm just going to take an alum block here. Just get it wet. Start going over my face. Yeah, right in there. Right in here. A little bit down here too. Yeah, same here. If I struggle with a shave or a razor, it's always right in here and down here. My neck is my most sensitive area. But man, I gotta tell you, rinsing off that soap, dude, it is so slick. And your face, without even putting aftershave on, really softens up. And I was shocked about that. The end result of using Adopted Acres soap. Most of us, we shave, we use an alum block, or you don't, whatever. You put some facial toner on, like I'm going to do. And then you pick out whatever your favorite aftershave is. And, mine right now is Thayer's. It's been that way for a long time, thanks to all the viewers, your recommendations. And I guess what I'm trying to say is you don't have to use a aftershave with this soap to get that, that soft, silky feeling you do when you use a good aftershave, like say Nivea. I'm just so floored with it. I'll put the link in the description to go check out Adopted Acres. And again, the shaving code is Ohio Shaves 10, all uppercase. I get no kickback whatsoever. He's just offering that to you guys. Well, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next Sunday at 11 a.m. Come on, America.